Hi, this is Andy Nathan with AndyNathan.net. Today is Friday. Friday is your social networking minute. Plus, an extra bonus. Today is the Ides of March. Ooh, awesome. Okay, so what are we going to talk about today? Well, real cool stuff. The social media community that I co-created with Josh Alexander, Oz DeSoleil, and Wade Harmon just hit 1,000 members. So really excited about that. And what we're going to be doing to celebrate that is we actually created, and I'm going to just show you where it is on the blog post that we did yesterday, a post that we're actually going to be doing a contest for the 1,000th member, and it's basically going to be a logo contest. So people could actually go in here and they could start creating cool logos for it, and the winner of the logo contest will actually get a chance to get displayed on our community with over 1,000 people. Plus, in addition to that, they'll also get these cool gifts above here as well. So what we're doing here today is I created an event yesterday on Google Events, but I wanted to actually go through and walk you through how to do an event, and I'm going to show you how to actually get people to the event as well. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this for a Google Hangout. So bear with me, and we're going to go in here to our Trusty Egg Timer, and I'm going to click Go. So real simple. When you want to create an event, you go create an event, and I'm not going to create the event since I already have one active. And they actually allow you to create a little theme. I don't really pay attention too much to that, but if you want to change it over, you can. You add the event title, very simple. They give you some different options here, and if you want to make this a Google Plus Hangout, you could do that as well. You can make this event an event on air. Anyone can view the event, and then you could actually say what the location is. You can go through details, and you could start inviting people. And that's actually what I want to share with you today. So I created the event, I invited the moderators, but I haven't invited everybody else to the Google Plus Hangout. And what I recommend when you're doing this is that when you invite people, make sure you actually don't do the Hangout on air right away. Make sure you wait until afterwards, because the challenge is, and I'm running out of time. Oh, shnikes, I had a feeling this would go over, but that's okay. Don't do the Google Hangout on air. Don't create it through the event, because that never works for some reason. What I like to do is I'll create a Google Hangout on air, and then I'll give out the link on my social community page, because that way I can do it 30 minutes before, and I actually tell people, hey, here's where it's going to be available. So that's one way of going about it, and I'm going to show you how to invite people. So you click invite more people, and then what happens is that when I want to invite people, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here to, let's just say, acquaintances, and you could select up to 150 people at one time. So I'm going to go select this circle, and that's 137 people in my acquaintances circle, and I'm going to click invite. And so I just invited all 136 people of them, and if I want to go back in here, I can invite more people, and all I have to do, what I might want to see if I could do, hold on one second here. You cannot invite different communities. What you can only do is you can invite. Yeah, that's what I couldn't remember for a second. I wanted to see if you could actually invite different communities, but you can only invite your different circles. So if your circle has more than 150 people, you might have to do this a few at a time. So I don't know, like if the business contacts, I have 1,040. If I go invite, it says, do you want to invite all of them? And it actually allowed me to do that. So never mind, you can invite as many as you want apparently. But this is Google Events. You could start inviting people to your events, drive them to the Google Hangout, and for those who don't know where Google Hangout is, all you do is you go Hangout, it's under More generally, and you can create a Google Hangout. And I'll show you how to create a Google Hangout next week. Ooh, it's all coming together. Awesome. For those of you who are interested in the logo contest, definitely check that out. I'll also include a link to that as well. This is Andy Nathan from AndyNathan.net, getting all excited over Google Hangouts and everything else. I'll talk to you later. Bye.